Students, already we have completed 3 units video lectures, and today we are going to start up the new unit, that is uh, manufacturing method of plastics. How we are manufacturing the material of plastics. Already you know very important points in various type of plastics in your plus 2 level subject or in your first year. So plastic manufacturing methods are very much important because a lot of material nowadays using the plastic only. So plastic is mainly utilized for reducing the weight of any job. So normally the plastics are called as the thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. So thermoplastics or thermosetting plastics or material new age, basic construct prepared systematically, synthetically or semi-synthetically from monomatter. So the structures, so the various uh, plastic classification, elastomer, thermoset, etc. Thermoplastic polymer which molds above the glass transition temperature and return to the normal state upon cooling. Most commonly used engineering thermoplastics are nylon, polycarbonate, polyvinyl thermo, glass transition temperature. That is how the temperature is transferred from one position to the another position of the plastic level. Effect of temperature above the glass transition temperature, polymer become leathery and then rubbery. Under the temperature condition, elastic deformation, viscous deformation, Maxwell model, etc. will take place. Viscoelectric behavior, elastic behavior. When heated above the Tg, it becomes leathery first and rubbery. So draw when thermoplastics are permanently deformed by the stretching long chain molecules aligned in general direction elongation, increasing and stale whitening. Increasing and stale whitening is the one type of plastic material. Water absorbs, and the limitation of the thermoplastic is water absorbent. So water acts as the plastification. So plastics are generally classified into amorphous thermoplastic polymer. Molecule chains are completely cathodically arranged. Semi-crystalline thermoplastics. Molecules form crystalline structure. Properties: plastics are opaque. Some of the examples of thermoplastics: polyamide or nylon. So most of the our toys and various uh, materials are manufactured with the help of the nylon raw material. Acetals and or polymethylene, polyoxymethylene. Acetal and polyoxymethylene's characteristic in the mechanical moisture, chemical content, electrical resistance, machining, etc. So thermoplastic polymers are utilized to produce the PET and PPT bottles. Thermoplastic polymers are generally family characterized PET and PPT. Higher mechanical stiffness, strength by orientation chains, not by H. Polycarbonate are used to provide the various applications such as CD making, torchlight manufacturing. Fluoropolymers are utilized for the various kitchen items. The main difference in the cost challenge. Cost challenge means there are difference between various plastic, short fiber, long fiber, continuous fiber. So the cost is changing according to the structure type. Composite performance versus fiber length. So the processing of plastic manufacturing. Injection molding, compression molding, thermosetting, thermoforming. These are all the various method of manufacturing. Thermoplastic thermoforming are the just induction. Clamping, pressing, so extrusion. Extrusion is injection molding, one type of injection molding. So it is the same as what injection we are giving. Blow molding. So by sending the air into the this machine, then it gets bottles or manufactured as per our requirement. Compression molding indicates due to the compression we can get the design of our product. Applications. There are lot of applications. Thermoplastic polymers go to the main structural application. Thermoplastic molding. So the manufacturing process of thermoplastic mold. So actually the thermoplastic molding is similar to the casting processing where we are utilizing the for metallic item. Here we are utilizing the plastic item. Thermoplastic molding is a versatile and manufacturing process. Each process offers specific benefit. LCP molding or acetol molding, ABB plastic molding. So depending upon our manufacturing process, we can utilize the various processing. A different process of ABS molding indicates how we are utilizing it. Virtually and all plastic components are carrying thermoplastics such as automobile parts, medical devices, parts of all sizes, electronic instrumentation. Molding option, injection molding, insert molding, reel over molding, etc. Micro molding machines ranging from around 9 to 15 grams. So up to this, we are discussing various type of plastics and then manufacturing method. So if you have any doubt, please raise your question and then we will continue with this in the next lecture video lecture. Any questions can be raised.